Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to add a background image inside our chatbot application. As for now, you can see we got a simple white background inside our application. But now in order to make our application look better, we are going to add a background similar to WhatsApp. So in order to do that, we firstly need to find a picture which we are going to show in the background. So you can take that picture from Google, or you can also take it from project resources. So go to the project resources, or you can also check the resources of this lecture, and there you will find this bg.jpg, and this is actually an image where we got a pattern similar to WhatsApp. So now after getting this bg.jpg, copy it, and we need to paste it inside the assets folder of our project. So here right click on the asset folder and then select reveal in file explorer, and there go to the asset folder, and now we need to paste it, and there you can see this image is added inside our assets. So after adding the image here, the next step is displaying this image inside our application. And now to display it, we need to add a component called image background. So scroll down, and there you will find the components or the layout for our application. So there you can see that. So now here we need to use a component called image background. So when you will type image, you will see this image background option, so just select it, and after that close this component. And now we need to put all the code that we got inside this return function inside this image background. So here I am going to minimize this view, and after that you can simply cut it and paste it inside this image background. And now after doing that, we need to specify the image that we want to show as a background, and we are going to specify it using the source property. And here in the source we will use the require function, and in this require function we will specify the path that where our image is present which we want to show as a background, and our image is present inside the assets folder. So in order to access it, we will specify the path. So we will go to the assets folder, and then we are going to access our bg.jpg. So be careful with the spellings. So after specifying the image source here, the next thing is specifying the resize mode. And as we want this picture to cover whole screen, so we will select this resize mode to cover. So here we will select cover, and after that we need to choose the style, and there we are going to set the width and the height. So here move to a new line and then set the style, and here in the style firstly we will set the flex to 1, and after that we will select the width and the height. So here we will select the width equal to 100% of the screen, and we are going to select it using this 100%. After that we need to do the same for the height. So height, and then we are going to specify 100% here, and that's it. So now after doing that, press Ctrl S, and you can see this background image is being displayed inside our application, and it is similar to WhatsApp. Similarly, you can paste or add any other background image that you want to put inside this application, and it will be displayed here. And we are displaying this background image using this image background component.